What if I told you that glowing, clear skin isn't inexpensive creams? It's inside your kitchen. Today, we'll reveal boiled foods that fix your skin from the inside, naturally. Without chemicals. Most skin problems don't start on the face, they start in your gut. Blood and hormones. Oily, fried foods increase inflammation. Boiled foods calm your body, and calm skin always glows. Glowing skin starts from inside, not outside. And the right foods can make it happen fast. Boiled carrots are rich in beta inside your body. It converts into vitamin A, the vitamin responsible for skin repair. Vitamin A repairs skin cells, reduces acne, and smooths your skin texture. Eating boiled carrots regularly slows down skin, aging naturally. Boiled corn is full of antioxidants that fight free radicals, the main cause of wrinkles and dull skin. Regular intake reduces fine lines and keeps your skin youthful. It's simple, cheap, and easy to add to your daily diet. Boiled eggs are rich in protein and biotin, which repair skin cells and add shine. Without protein, your skin cannot stay firm or elastic, no matter how many creams you use. Eggs also help prevent dryness and maintain smooth texture. Potatoes are rich in vitamin C and potassium. They help reduce pigmentation, dark spots, and improve skin tone. Eating boiled potatoes regularly improves your complexion naturally. Lentils are loaded with iron, zinc, and protein. They improve blood circulation, giving your skin a healthy glow. Better blood flow means better oxygen delivery to your skin, which naturally improves its color and brightness. Spinach detoxifies your body and helps prevent dull, tired-looking skin. Antioxidants in spinach fight premature aging and maintain your natural glow. It's simple. Detox inside, shine outside. Sweet potatoes protect skin from sun damage and improve collagen. Collagen keeps your skin firm and prevents sagging. Sweet potatoes are nature's anti-aging food. Eat them regularly to maintain youthful, firm skin. Boiled foods retain most nutrients compared to fried foods. They reduce inflammation inside your body. Less inflammation equals glowing, healthy skin. Eat boiled foods at least once daily. Drink enough water. Sleep well. Consistency is the key. Your skin will show the results. Gradually. Glowing skin is discipline, not magic. Feed your body right and shine naturally.